My favorite part of Curbo is just meeting up in person with our customers, clients. We had almost a year-long back and forth design engineering with Amazon.
Here we have Curbo's latest design product, our 4-foot driver's side only ZTec. This is what's solving Amazon's billion-dollar infrastructure problem. How we're doing this is we developed a shorter curb that has stopped ripping off the bumpers on trucks. Just a few of the benefits of this product include cheaper freight, cheaper installs, and less labor to install these bad boys. This product is both an upgrade and a more affordable design than our traditional 8-foot Aztec product.
Amazon came to us. They were like, Curbo, we've got a problem. Your legacy parking curbs, the old Aztec model, is ripping up our trucks. We call it a $1 billion problem because it's costing us over $1 billion per year just in repairs and maintenance costs related to your curbs. What can we do?
Here we have our traditionally designed Aztec product. This is still a great option for protecting vital infrastructure like light poles, fences, and things that simply cannot be run into. With our ZTec product, you can easily run over that curb and hit whatever's behind it. With our Aztec product, you can see that's simply not an option. Some of the problems we run into with this design is it will rip off bumpers, wheel wells, and other vital components of the truck. When we came to this Aztec today, we found this piece of a truck's trailer left behind. Now, I don't know what these cost, but I know they're relatively expensive, maybe $100, $200. You multiply that by 50,000 trailers, things start to get expensive. The ZTec solves that problem by simply running over the curb if given too much power.
Seeing that design that we spent a year on, getting it out there, testing it, getting that particular model approved by corporate, and then seeing our design show up on some of their national specs for drawings, construction drawings, that's probably by far the most rewarding part of this career.